Welcome to our Web Builder How-To series, Add Pages to Your Site with Menu Management. Menu Management allows you to control the content pages on your site. Once you've created your content pages, go into Menu Management and you'll see the order that the pages appear in. To add a new page that you've created on your content, first choose if you want it as a main menu or a sub-menu in level. If you want it to appear as a main menu, select Root. Add the name that you want for the page in the label field. And select the content page that you want this to link to. You can choose for it to be active or inactive, and the order that you want it to appear on your menu. Once you've completed that, click Save, and your new content page will appear on your main menu. Thank you for watching.